talked a lot about the different features and the people science support that is available through Hive. We also have a wider team of wonderful, enthusiastic experts to support you. So alongside you on your Hive journey, you have a dedicated member of our launch team for onboarding, setting up your platform, delivering any training and making sure that whole process is smooth and seamless. We've got our customer success team. They are there for tactical advice, continuous support, really making sure that you are achieving success with the platform so that you're able to meet your goals. They'll be checking in with you regularly and there for any advice should you need it. We've got our technical support team should you have any challenges there. And we have our fantastic Hive Plus community platform, which we're super excited about. It's a great space for HR leaders and practitioners to collaborate, share best practice, hear about things people are doing with Hive, and just access that extra layer of support.